How to create and share Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can create and share Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Zoom. You can either open up the application or simply log in through the website. So once you're logged in, now you have to schedule a meeting first in order to share it. So tap on schedule. Now you land on schedule meeting piece where you can add topic to your meeting. Under that, you can also add description. If you want to add description, tap on it and then add description. Scroll down a bit and here you have to add the date and time. First of all, select the date. After that, select the time for the meeting that you want. Scroll down a bit. If you want to set the duration for the meeting, then you can also set the duration too. Tap on the drop down here and here you can select different duration. Scroll down a bit and here you have to enter the username or email address or if the invite is. Under that, you have two options, whether you would like to generate the meeting ID automatically or use your personal meeting ID. So according to your preference, you can choose one from there. If you want to select a template, you can also select that if you have any from the drop down. You can also add whiteboard and also the docs file. There you have the passcode for the meeting. Here only the users who have the invite link or passcode can join the meeting. So that is the passcode. Scroll down a bit and there are more options that you can choose from. So select these options here according to your preference, and once you're done, tap on save. After you do that, on the next piece you will have all of the information regarding your meetings. That is your passcode, your invite link too. So from here you have to copy this invitation link. So tap on this copy here. Now the link for this meeting has been copied. Now to share it to WhatsApp, you have to open up WhatsApp in your device. Then select the contact that you would like to share the meeting to. And here you have to paste the link and now you can share this link. So that's how you can create and share Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.